All right, it is day 3 of the aquaponics system, and as you can see there, the water is starting to clear up. Everybody is swimming around nicely and happily still. Temperature stayed about 75 to 79, which is perfect for this type of fish in here. We're gonna go ahead and get the aquaponics system set up now. We got it here. We're gonna get everything washed out and then set up on the top. All right, this is the aquaponics tank on the top here. It's got 2 plastic legs, some return valves, and a pump that pumps in the center there. And we're gonna have a filter media in here in a second. We'll get that all filled up and show you. All right, we got the aquaponics tank set up. Still a little murky in there because everything's filtering out, but it's much clearer looking than yesterday. Up top here is the filter media, and basically we're gonna plant stuff in here. The water level is gonna rise and fall about every 45 minutes. So it does it for 15 minutes on the hour, all day on the timer, and that will self-feed these plants. Really, the only thing you're gonna have to do is feed the fish and add a little bit of clean water, every week or two, because it will evaporate. But all the fish look happy in there. It's early in the morning, so we're gonna let this system run on autopilot for a while, and we'll come back and check on it later on tonight. All right, everybody, we got the aquaponics system fully set up here, and we have a little LED light now in the back, offsetting things. I'm gonna turn a light on real quick. It's gonna start up and we're gonna show you what happens. It's basically gonna suck the water through that pump, bring it up into this substrate, and it's basically gonna drain back through those little grates there on either side, and there's a center fill spout. So it should turn on here in a second. Fish seem to be happy. The beta fish has found a new log in there to call home. See if we can get any footage in there. Other than that, the tetras are schooling fine, and so are the catfish. Oh, there's the beta, came out. Nice color on it. Nice color on those black neon tetras. And you can see down there the little Cory catfish. Again, we're keeping the temperature right around 75 degrees. That seems to be a happy medium for all these fish in here. We will be transplanting a cut of sweet basil up here from a mature plant as well. Should turn on here any second now. All right, it's turned on. And as you can see, it's sucking water into that pump. And we'll be distributing up here. You'll see the media move here in a second. As you can see, the media is coming up now, and there's water in there. So all that water is coming up through here now, and it does drain the tank down a little bit. It's not too bad, doesn't do anything to the fish. That's about as low as it gets, and then it'll come back down right through those little ports and discharge back in there. It's about a 15-minute cycle. It'll do it every hour. So 45 minutes off, 15 minutes on. Yeah, it's really the end of day 3 because there's nothing else we're gonna do. We're just gonna let this thing cycle continually on and off until tomorrow. We might put the sweet basil in tonight, but that's really all you wanna do for today. So tune in tomorrow as we keep on this journey to see if we can get some good food out of an aquarium. Thanks for watching.